Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, don't let it be your last. Come back and see me. Check out the videos that I have on travel, business, real estate, and family. Thanks again for watching. Make it a great day. Be blessed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification button. Today's excursion, looking for real estate in Dubai. As you know, I am a licensed real estate broker, so I love everything real estate. Anything dealing with real estate, I love it. And guess what? In Dubai, real estate is a hot commodity. I remember growing up where they were talking about how big and popular and powerful Dubai was going to be. Well, they didn't lie, not one bit, because Dubai is consistently growing on a regular basis. We're driving to some units now with a local realtor, and he's going to show us what we can get for our money. So I'm really interested in what he has to show us, because what he told me in the office and what we're going to, it seems like it's far away from everything. But he said this place was like gold. So let's see what he's talking about.
Feel like desert to me.
Right. The outside looks just okay. There's an area for kids to play. Lots of construction still going on. What's going on here? Did we run into a roadblock? More construction. Okay, I guess we're ready to go in. Thank you. Nice entry foyer. I love that red crimson sofa over there. Ooh, that look good in my space. Okay, I'm ready for it. Surprise me. Show me what you got. So in Dubai, foreign ownership is permitted in areas designated as freehold. Foreigners, people who don't live in the UAE, and expat residents may acquire freehold ownership rights over property without restriction. They can leasehold these rights for up to 99 years. Is real estate expensive in Dubai? Yes. In downtown Dubai, it remains the most expensive area to rent. If you are in the city, an average property in the area rents out at approximately $117 per square foot, which is about 31 cents more expensive than the normal areas in Dubai. Right. Dubai is going to be known, and it is known, as one of the best places in the world to invest in real estate. The city offers a lot of really great opportunities for investors, ranging from residential properties like high-end apartments, which we're in right now, and villas, to luxurious commercial properties situated within all skyscrapers. Honestly speaking, I'm feeling the decorations more than the apartment. A view of the desert. It's a nice balcony though. So I feel like I'm looking out into nowhere. I understand they're still doing construction, but where is everything? The average cost for an apartment in Dubai is about $14,000, which equates to about 50,000 to 54,000 dirhams. However, according to the New World's Wealth recently released, Emirates Hill, which is in Dubai, Marina and Palm Jumeirah are the affluent parts of Dubai. More than 38,000 millionaires have moved to the UAE over the last 20 years. I'm getting ready to speak over that, and I'm going to be one of those millionaires too.
To kind of suit. The only thing is the washer is in the kitchen. I mean, yeah, we're not really used to that.
That's amazing.
This is a dual washer and dryer.
Yes,
you
correct.
wash it, let it sit, and it dries.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct. Then you show a little bit of sunlight if it
Wow. So this is the guest bathroom.
Delivered almost a couple of years back. Yeah. So
Okay.
this is it. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And so you mentioned the average age is younger.
Very young.
Expats, older people.
Older people.
Do they stay in the villas or?
Villas. They have
Okay.
their own private spaces.
Right. Those are some nice villas right there.
This is something you can buy this opportunity today.
At 51,
Absolutely
would we be
0%
considered as
in
old
terms of
people?
rentals, 'cause this just goes up.
Oh, I could imagine. I could
This just goes
imagine.
up.
Oh, okay. They got this one all decked out and pretty. Nice props, yeah.
So I'm like totally feeling the vibe
Loving
here
this.
in Dubai.
Oh, wow,
I
this
mean,
is nice.
once you're here, you start to really feel
tells you what it can look
worthy
like.
of being here. I mean, the people, the culture, the influence, everything is just top notch.
Huh?
I'm talking about the United States.
This is, I like this one too. You know what? A 2-bedroom is not bad. We probably get more of our money's worth with a 2-bedroom. Y'all think?
I definitely think so. So more people can,
Huh?
the more people that live here, the more people you can charge.
That's so true.
Yeah,
It's like space wise.
2 people staying here.
Beautiful. Closet.
I want to fit in that big.
Oh, no, you're too long. I think we'll get more of our money worth with this. The boys agree with it. We'll get our money's worth with this.
How much this one really? Not too much more.
I'm sure it can't be that. Yeah, this is definitely a money giver here. Look at over time.
So as you can see, a staged home looks so much better than an empty home.
I love how this is staged. We always stage our units, and this is a fully furnished.
Yes.
Okay.
The opportunity here in this product comes with full furniture. Fully furnished.
Whoa. Nah, I don't like that the toilet is like right. Yeah, this is big.
But you don't like white toilet?
I don't like toilets when you come into places.
This is the 3-bedroom unit. Not as nicely decorated as the other, but it's still nice and much more room.
That's it.
Now I'm ready for the price. How much is he gonna hit us with?
It's like, is this a bedroom? This is huge, but you do?
I'm so loving the fact that my boys are into real estate and understand the value of it. Each bedroom has its own bathroom.
Bedroom.
Not attached, but it has one.
Huh? This is nice. I think it is a little too big though.
It's like a storage room right here.
Correct.
It is a little- Is that the kitchen?
Kitchen got its own room.
A
kinda
kitchen
odd.
in a room. Honestly speaking, I know
I
this
like it
place is
open.
extremely
It's just
overpriced,
planned.
but we're in Dubai
So then it closed.
and they can do that.
I'm sure it's man right here.
Yeah, what you said, kitchen has its own room.
Yeah, so.
And you can put a little chair, table.
Open up this window so you couldn't. I don't think it's bad though.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all. Let me tell you, the places were amazing. And I'm recording this after the fact that we left. And the reason why I'm recording it after the fact is because we sat down at a table for negotiation and talked to the realtor about what we can get the property for. I am just totally flabbergasted by the cost. The last unit that we looked at, the 3-bedroom where the kitchen had its own room, was $500,000. Mind you, it was just a tad bit over 1,000 square feet. And so The 2-bedroom, 1 bath was, excuse me, it had 2 baths, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, was going for about 300 to 400,000. And then the studio was about 200 to 300,000. And the range kind of came in where you got in, where you fit in, because they're doing construction still. So if you get in now, then obviously you get the lower price. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, even at the lower price, it's still too pricey for me. Now, I do recall, as I mentioned, when Dubai was first building, they were stating that that is going to be the place to be. And we were looking at this space to purchase a property for our short-term rental business. But I'm going to tell you, you know, even at $500,000, we would literally have to charge anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 for somebody to stay there. And I personally don't think it's worth it. My husband and my kids, who are my business partners, we've been going back and forth. So eventually we're going to utilize that information that we received when we go back to Dubai to look for another place, because I also have a friend there and she advised me you can get a nicer place, much less than what he was showing you. And he was steadfast, really pressing the button, trying to get us to sign by the dotted line. Fortunately, my people have me as a business partner, and I'm like, no, I need to talk to my people, my CPA, and my attorney before we move forward. So that's on hold right now, but we will be making another journey back to Dubai to talk about purchasing some property there, because I do believe it's an excellent destination for travel, vacation travel. But when I look at places to visit, I look at, should I stay in short-term rental or should I stay in a hotel? And as you saw, our resort was beautiful. We had actually 1 whole bedroom, which was 2 beds in there. And then there was an attached room with us that had a private room, private bathroom and all that. So, but that was $5,000 a night. So, and our room was separate from that. So when I look at places to stay, I also look, actually his apartment was, the place next to us was $6,000 a night, excuse me. But when I look for places to stay, I look for places that can give me everything that I need, that I will enjoy my vacation. I have to have the amenities. I have to have a place to just walk around when I get tired of being in a room, or, you know, sitting in a room looking at TV. I want to be able to get up and walk around. So I'm kind of twisted between hotel, Airbnb, or resort. I love resorts. I love hotels. I have no problem staying in a hotel, but I also love to have my space and my privacy in an Airbnb. So that in itself is something to think about, and we're going to ponder on it. We're going to look at other options to see what we want to do, because we've also been to other destinations, but nothing like Dubai. I'm telling you, that was a spiritual journey. That was a spiritual vacation, and it's something that if you've never been before, you should go. Okay, so leave down in the comments, let me know, when you travel, do you prefer to stay in a hotel? Do you prefer to stay in a short-term rental space, or do you prefer to stay at resorts? And then also let me know, when you stay at a hotel, what do you like? What do you like about staying in a hotel or a resort, or short-term rentals? What do you like about staying in short-term rentals? Is it your privacy, kind of like myself, or what? Let me know. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like some of those places that we saw, let me know that as well. Leave information in the comments below. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I'm Nichelle, the Startup CEO. Blessings and peace until next time. Bye.